Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this tutorial today I'm going to show you how to actually use the new emojis in Monopoly Go. Now it's a new feature and I'm going to show you all about it. Now as you can see, I just received a new emoji, and how we can use this is by actually, if we have an event going like so, like here, you can actually use it. Let me wait a couple of seconds. As you can see right here, there's a little emoji button. You press it and here you see all your emojis. Now you can actually send them and the other player will receive the emoji once they log back in and go to the event. Now what you can do as well is once you go on a railroad track or a bank heist, they will actually give you the option to use it right there. Now, if this tutorial has helped you in any kind of way, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching.